For most investors, long-term wealth creation is a major goal. It can be achieved with geographical and sectoral diversification. You just need a sustainable strategy and the right assets. Spreading investments across global markets offers better growth prospects and improved risk management. Let's see how going global can open up enormous investment opportunities, offering better chances of building a strong portfolio. Global investing allows you to invest in growth companies across different regions. You can invest in high-growth regions like the US and Europe, or capitalize on the Asian markets like Hong Kong and Singapore. Global tech giants like Apple, Nvidia, and Google offer a great opportunity to cash in on the US growth story. Asian markets could be a suitable choice if you want to tap into booming sectors such as technology, EVs, and renewable energy. Stock markets across regions are defined by their own strengths and growth sectors. This is where global investing comes into play. It helps to put your money into different economies instead of relying on a single market. You can build a robust portfolio and tap into the growth markets as well as big companies across countries through diversification. Going global helps in better risk management while increasing the long-term capital appreciation prospects. Here are a few simple steps to build a diversified global portfolio for long-term wealth creation. Access opportunities in your preferred markets. Choose the assets as per your financial goals and investment horizon. Review and recalibrate your portfolio periodically. For long-term wealth creation through global investing, here are the key takeaways. Assess your preferred markets. Choose the assets as per your financial goals. Seek professional guidance if needed. Review your portfolio periodically. Global investing is not about timing one market. It is about building exposure across the world. If you want to know more about global stock market investing, follow us and subscribe to our channel.